Hi everybody, back here EMD Automotive. I just finished replacing the brake pads. I've done the rear brake pads on this Range Rover Sport. I've got a disc is still fine. We can do the disc next service. So I've done the rear pads, new warning sensors, goes from there all the way inside to here on the right hand side. This is the right hand side drive car, and the rear pads I've done. There they are. Nothing left. Look at the brand new one. Look how thick it is. Massive. So that's the brand new brake pads here. And you need a computer to wind the actual piston back to service position, and then you do the brake pads, and when you finish doing that, you gotta come back here and tell the computer using your scan tool, and tell the car computer to push the piston back and take it off service maintenance position, application. So I'll just turn that 0, switch back on, and it's going through here. Okay, clear. Yeah, but once you push the piston back, you can actually hear the brake pads at the back, the actual motor winding back out and back in. So once you hear it going out, then you raise the brake pads, and then you go forward with the computer, and then push it back in, and then clear the faults, and you're done. So you need a computer scan tool to actually carry out the job for the rear brake pads, especially when you have electronic handbrake. Then you need a scan tool. On most European cars that has an electronic handbrake, you got to use a scan tool. Mercedes-Benz, you don't have to. On some models you can use a bypass motor to actually wind it back in and out. Well, on this model here, V8, you need this scan tool to get it done properly. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.